Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD Forecast Awaits dovish Fed before the next leg up analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 013615 7/29/2025 34:15 am. EUR USD witnessed some profit taking on Tuesday and snapped 7 days of winning streak. A modest USD rebound from two-year lows was seen as the only factor exerting some pressure. The downside remains limited as the focus shifts to the highly anticipated FOMC policy decision. The EUR USD pair edged lower on Tuesday and snapped 7 consecutive days of the winning streak amid a modest US dollar rebound from two-year lows. Hopes of some sort of an agreement over the next round of the U.S. fiscal measures aided the USD recovery through the first half of the trading action on Tuesday. It is worth recalling that Senate Republicans formally unveiled a draft plan to provide $1 trillion in funding for COVID-19 relief. The proposed package was lower than the $3 trillion passed by Democrats in May, though clears the path for talks in a bid to pass the bill before the expiry of some earlier measures at the end of this week. Despite the optimism, investors remain worried over the strength of the U.S. economic recovery amid the continuous surge in coronavirus cases. In fact, 4 states reported record numbers of COVID-19 cases over a 24-hour period on Tuesday, and the nationwide tally stood at over 4.3 million cases as of July 29. This, in turn, has been fueling speculations of more stimulus by the Fed and kept a lid on any strong gains for the greenback. On the economic data front, the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index fell to 92.6 in July from 98.3 previous. This was well short of consensus estimates pointing to a reading of 94.5 and did little to impress the USD bulls. Apart from this, a sharp intraday turnaround in the U.S. Treasury bond yields further collaborated towards capping the attempted USD bounce. The pair dipped to the 1.1700 neighborhood, albeit lacked any strong follow-through selling, and managed to regain some traction during the Asian session on Wednesday. Market participants now look forward to the highly anticipated FOMC decision, scheduled to be announced later during the U.S. session. The Fed is widely expected to keep its policy measures unchanged at the end of a 2-day meeting on Wednesday. Hence, the key focus will be on the accompanying, where the U.S. Central Bank could provide hints of a potential change in the monetary policy stance at the upcoming meeting in September. A more dovish signal will be enough to exert some additional pressure on the already weaker greenback and pave the way for an extension of the pair's recent strong bullish momentum. Short-term technical outlook. From a technical perspective, the bias still seems tilted firmly in favor of bulls, and the overnight dip might be categorized as corrective amid overbought conditions. Hence, any further slide will still be seen as a buying opportunity near mid-1.1600s. That said, some follow-through selling has the potential to drag the pair further towards the 1.1600 mark. The mentioned level represents an important resistance breakpoint, marked by the 50% Fibonacci level of the 1.2555-1.0636 downfall, and should now act as a strong base for the pair. On the flip side, immediate resistance is pegged near the 1.1750 area, above which bulls are likely to make a fresh attempt to reclaim the 1.1800 mark. A subsequent move beyond September 2018 swing highs resistance near the 1.181520 region, which coincides with the 61.8% Fibo level, will be seen as a fresh trigger for bulls and set the stage for additional gains. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.